Hi Lema.
How are you?
So welcome back. Welcome back or welcome. Is that the first time?
No, I think this is my second time.
The second time.
It could be second or third. Third time.
Third time. So the first time when you come in Rwanda, how was it? Yeah.
It was nice. The place is very clean. The people are friendly and very beautiful. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Very calm. It's beautiful. Kigali is beautiful.
So before we go, I want to ask you about like how was this gig come in? Yeah. How was this gig?
Like
How did you get this deal?
Oh yeah. Connections, I could say. It was through my brother, the Ben, and yeah, we talked about it. He introduced me to it, and I'm here. Now I'm here.
Last time, like in February, we have seen you performing around the band. How was the vibe, you know? And when you think about like this collaboration that you did have with him, yeah, how did you see it? Yeah,
It is always a vibe. It is always a vibe with the band. He's my brother, he's my friend, so it feels so good to just perform with him, laugh around. It's always a vibe.
Actually, I just want to ask you about your name. Like you called Rema, yet you have another Rema from Nigeria. Does that things confuse people? Why confusing you with Rema from Nigeria?
Oh, so many people have the same names, really. I just can't, I don't have the right to the name. It's a name that can be called to anybody. Anyone can be called Rema. You could have a baby tomorrow and you call them Rema. So I wouldn't say anything about it. Yes, it's a beautiful name.
Yeah, very beautiful.
It is.
Yeah, is it easy like for you like to do music while you are just having a husband?
Like how
And a
it
kid?
is? It is beautiful. It is an experience. I get to do everything. It's like hitting so many birds with one stone. It is a beautiful experience for me, and I'm grateful to God because sometimes it's hard to combine family and then career, but it has been good for me.
Does it?
How is Dr. Hamza treating you like now?
Okay, he's okay. He's okay.
How is him treating you?
How is he treating me?
Yeah.
You want to know?
Well, no, because I have seen like so many times you are just sharing like the message of love, you know, every time, and it is like a uniqueness of your family. So yeah.
Yeah, we're all about love. I, for one, I believe in love. I breathe love. I eat love. I think about love. I sleep love. I believe love runs the world.
You are in Rwanda and Shiba is in Rwanda. What does it mean in Uganda industry?
It's nice. It's nice. It shows that, we are busy. That women are busy. We are busy working. We are busy going places. And I'm really excited for both of us. Yeah. My gig is on the 16th. Her gig is on the 17th. And I'm calling upon people to go and support each gig you get. Yeah, it's all about love. And yeah, if I stay in the country for more time, I might attend her gig as well.
So I can find like this opportunity and hesitate to ask you this question. So how do you see the progress of this entertainment around in the legend? You know, according to how we are just seeing this Western entertainment boosting.
Music is a language that we all speak. I wouldn't want to discriminate. Music from this area, from this country, from the other country. Music is one language that we all speak, so whatever you get, whatever you listen to, love it, enjoy it.
Just how do you feel when you see Eddie Kenzo, coming in, performing in Rwanda, and cooperating with Eddie Kenzo? Yeah, that's the thing.
No comment.
Surely.
What do you consider?
Yes.
So what do we have to expect from you? Like,
Party, 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 having fun. I'm telling you, it's not even just about singing, but you know, come out, let's hang together. If you have some questions to ask, Django, come and ask me. I'll be there. I'll be there to chill with you, to vibe with you, to dance along with you, to enjoy the music with you. Many good DJs are playing. We dance to the music, you know, just a vibe, a vibe. I'm here for the vibe.
Are you spending time to take pictures with your fans?
Why not? I love pictures. My fans should come. In fact, I'm ready. Wherever you find me, just stop me. Let's take a picture. I'm so ready.
Oh, so as we conclude this conversation that we were just having, you're so lovely, you know. And I want to ask you, like in 3 words, how can you define like your brother, the band?
He's amazing. I told you my brother's a vibe. He's amazing. He's a good friend. He's honest, straightforward. He wishes others good, you know. He's a good person. He's a good person.
So thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.
It was God. Reka tubashimire abakunzi b'inyarwanda aho muherereye hose. Hano turi ni kuri Kigali International Airport. We are here for Lema namakula. Numwe mu bakobwa cyangwa se mu bari n'abategarugori bari gukora umuziki mu buryo bumeze neza. Yatangiye umuziki mu buryo buri professionnel mu mwaka wa 2013, ubwo bivuze ko imyaka ibaye 11 arimo akora umuziki. Ntago bavuga ko ari mukuru cyane kuko afite imyaka 33, ariko ni mukuru, yamaze kubaka izina muri 2016 ari mu bahanzi muri Uganda bagiye guperforminga muri Coke Studio. So bivuze ko afite background iremereye cyane.